Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to enable or disable camera access in Google Chrome web browser. So you want to prevent website from being able to access your camera. I show you guys how to do that. Open up Chrome, click on this three dot icon over here and select settings. On left side select privacy and security. On right side select, you just need to scroll down and select site settings. You just need to scroll down under the permissions. You just need to select camera. So if you want to disable it, select this option guys. Don't allow sites to use your camera. Features that need a camera won't it work. If you want to enable it, select this option guys. Sites can ask to use your camera, and if you want enable or disable, that's up to your choice guys. And that's all you have to do it guys. That's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.